This time they're going for the switch hit. Very well bowled. He saw the batter going for the switch hit. सार्थक तुका रिक्वेस्ट करता तुझा प्लेयर ऑफ द मॅच अवॉर्ड कलेक्ट करपाक आमचा माने आसा संजू बाबर आविल्लो आसा तुका दिवपाक सार्थक हांगा येवचो आनी तुजो प्लेयर ऑफ द मॅच अवॉर्ड आसा तो मातसो कलेक्ट करचो सार्थक आणि गौतम once again just down the leg side wide called by the umpire. Chandresh Desai, one of the finest bowlers in Goa and at the moment in top form, picking up top players in the open tournaments. Again, yeah, he is the icon player for these Lokmanya Warriors in KPL, and certainly beating the batter with the pace, left-hander Kalpesh. And 5 runs on the board in the first 3 balls. This is going to be a 3 overs match. Chandresh trying to finish the over in quick time frame. They are going to bat second. This is in the air. This should be a wicket here. Chandresh Desai picking the left-hander and he strikes. It's 5 for the loss of 1 in the first over. Next batsman begin also. Oh, lovely shot up and over inside, going towards the boundary of the long off, trying to cut that, and it's been fielded well. It's been fielded well. They have taken 2 runs, thinking of the third, and good piece of fielding by Sachin. And with these 2, score moves on to 7 for the loss of 1 wicket. Pretty decent over here from Chandresh Desai. Will be looking to restrict the opposition at the max to 25 runs. And once again, lovely batting up and over, uppercut shot in front of the covers, taking 2 runs. This is really good batting from the experienced and seasoned campaigner Viraj. Finishes the over. Chandresh Desai, 1 over gone. It's 9 for the loss of 1 wicket. In comes Baban, picked up player of the match in the second win for Lokmanya Warriors. Very good bowling unit, Lokmanya Warriors. Viraj, the owner of the team, will be happy with the team's performance after winning 3 out of 3. The leaderboard of the table at the moment. Lokmanya Warriors, that's a good switch hit, that's a reverse hit, should go at a boundary there. Finally played. He is a wonderful and one of the best switch hitters from Kurcharem at the moment. He plays reverse as well as switch hits and gets the boundaries and 6s. Rajat Sawant. Score moves on to 13. 13 for the loss of 1 wicket. This is the second over. Baban is bowling. The second over starts off with a boundary. Will be little pressure here. There is no long off and no deep covers. Trying to go for the switch hit once again. They have placed a man, Sujay, in the switch hit, or you can say the backward of point region for the right-hander to stop that switch hit. And they have got long off and deep covers inside. So that's a little changes done in the field here for the left-hander. 4-1 field at the moment in the deep. That's a lovely bowling here. Back of length, very close to the wickets there. Very, very close to the wickets. Just going on top of that. He saw the intentions of the batter trying to come and chip down. Bowls a little back of length and bowls a dot ball. So good comeback after being hit for a boundary. This is in the air. This is in the air. And oh, he didn't even touch his hands. He didn't even touch his hand. He ran quickly. But now they are thinking of a third run, and that might be close. So he's going on top, and let's see. Let's review this for the third umpire, whether it is out or not out. And the batsman is out. The batsman is out. Good piece of throw and good collection there. So he is going back to the pavilion. So Viraj is going back. 15 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. In comes the left-hander Sanket. नरेश देसाई तुका रिक्वेस्ट करता मातसो प्लेयर ऑफ द मॅच अवॉर्ड दिवपाक तुवें मातसो माचेर हांगा प्रेजेंटेशन अरिना जी स्टेज घाल्ली आसा थंय तुवें प्लेयर ऑफ द मॅच अवॉर्ड दिवपाक गौतम पाटीलाक परत एकदा रिक्वेस्ट करता हांगा येवचो आनी तुजो प्लेयर ऑफ द अवॉर्ड कलेक्ट करचो. सार्थकाक दिवपाक नरू. This is in the air. This should be an easy one. Fielder underneath, and he takes it in the second attempt. Bhavnesh almost dropped it. He was having a scare there that all the eyes will face him, and that's the reason why he was alert at the last moment. So the batters are quickly going back to the pavilion without troubling the scorers. It's 15 for 3. Sanket came. Sanket walks back. No addition to the scoreboard from that score of 15. In comes Siddesh Dulapkar. So Siddesh Dulapkar on strike. Has pulled away nicely, but he was already inside and close to the wickets, looking to get a second. There's a quick throw there. Should be easy run out. There was absolutely no second in it. They wanted to give strike to Rajat and took a risk of sacrificing the wicket for the captain. And that marks the end of over number 2, and it is 16 for the loss of 4 wickets. And this is the last over, third over. So we are well ahead of time. And Sachin, the player of the match in the previous game, the only player so far in the entire competition to pick 4 wickets of 4 balls. He's won them 2 games. Not only the previous game, but the second game they were under pressure. Sachin won them both these games. And now Sachin also has been awarded 2,000 rupees cash prize by Shanai Builders, which will be given to him later on. And now Sachin will be bowling the third over to Rajat. Just 16 on the board after completion of 2 overs. Here comes the last over of the last innings. Last match. Oh, that's a good shot. That might go just over. Oh, it's taken. This is the time where the ball doesn't travel, and the ball has been taken just close to the boundary rope. So he goes back. Rajat Sawant is 16 for the loss of 5. He played it well, he timed it well, just the lack of power at this point of time. The ball doesn't travel that much. That's the reason why 25 is going to be a decent total. So Noru hanga pavillo asa amagta Sarthaka ka tuje player of the match award tume collect करचे. आदल्या तेपाचो एक बऱ्यातलो बरो ऑलराउंडर, बरो बॉलर, बरो बॅटर जय भवानी क्लबाचे नाव गाजयल्लो आसा नरेश देसाई आता प्लेयर ऑफ द मॅच अवॉर्ड दिता सार्थकाक. आणि लास्ट ओवर and there was a chance. Aditya wants the strike and that batsman is out. So I don't understand, they are still not he has left it a bat and gave an opportunity for the keeper to get himself, and Adit will be at the non-striker's end. Must begin here. See, the score is 16. So दोन ball घाल्ले आसा, just 2 balls have been bowled, and in comes the new batter. 6 wickets down at the moment. And Akhil is the new batter. And Aditya wants the strike. That's one more in the form of run out. So still 16 for the loss of 7. In comes Aniket. Aniket must have begin down here. 16 for the loss of 7. Good piece of bowling from Sachin. He has bowled well in the entire tournament, right from the first game, and won Player of the Game award in the third game victory for Lokmanya Warriors. 4 wickets in 4 balls, and now once again not giving a single run. Short ball pulled away. Still no power. Might get boundary. Yes, he does get a boundary. Does get a boundary there, Aditya Naik, and takes the score to 20. Maybe a score little close to 25. Might be a decent enough total on the board. Let's see how much he can get. So Aditya wanted and itching to get the strike, and he gets the strike and plays a good put shot. 20 runs. In comes Sachin to bowl the next one. This time he miscued it and miscued it to the keeper. Tanmay takes it, and that's the end of wicket number 8. Aditya also goes back. Sachin gets his wicket. So 8 wickets down, trying to go after the bowling, sacrificing the wicket in the form of run out, as well as the wicket taken here through a catch by the keeper, and Sachin strikes. There's now number 10 entering on the field. 20 for the loss of 8. And here comes the last ball of the first innings of the last game. Let's see what Sachin is up to. Lovely ball in the air. Should be just a single, comfortable single, and that marks the end of the first innings of the last game. So end of 3 overs, 21 for the loss of 8 wickets. 22 is the target set here for the team Lokmanya Warriors to win their 4th game in a row. So let's see whether Bhansai boys can win the 3rd game, or Lokmanya Warriors go on to march and win their 4th game in a row. तर जिंकपाक जाय 22 रनाची गरज. बॅट्समॅन मॅच बेगीन यात. 22 रनाची गरज जात 3 ओव्हरीन. फालच्या सकाळची मॅच जातली ती शनाय बिल्डर्स आणि वडलेंबर स्ट्रायकर्स हांच्या मदीं मॅच जातली. लक्षांत दवरात 9 सुरू करतात आणि मागीर सारखे 2:15 क्वॉलिफायर्स आणि एलिमिनेटर सुरवात जातली आणि 5 सुमार फायनल. .22 runs required. Tanmay is a wide down the leg side, trying to bowl pace and bowling that. You can see the last moment, the angle of the delivery, straying down the leg side and conceding a wide. So starting off with an extra, they need to defend 21 runs. Another full toss. This is in the air. Going to be a some catch here, some catch. He was nowhere close. He was absolutely nowhere close. The ball was played in America and he was searching in Bermuda. So there's 2 runs here to Tanmay. This is lovely shot, but is not timed that well. There's a fielder coming back, should be taken and taken there. I thought it might go over his head, but he just went and got the elevation, not the distance, and the fielder going back and taking a good catch. Tanmay departs. That was a chance. That was a difficult chance, and they should take difficult chances. If you can't meet the difficulties, you can't meet the success as well. So that's how the game goes. It was going down, lying down, but you will have to take the chances. You need to defend 21 runs. So far, pretty good bowling from Adi. Right in the block hole, and he should have come forward for the catch. He should have come forward for the catch. Completes the single. The fielder has not taken the start here. He should have taken the start, taken 2 steps with that momentum. He should have taken the catch. Ball dead zala. Score is 4. 4 for the loss of 1 wicket. So the fielders need to be alert and on the toes. They just can't wait back. They have to be proactive. Can't be reactive after the ball has been played. So Sanket and all the fielders, especially inside the circle, need to stop the singles as well and take the catches. This is in the air. This is some shot. This is some shot here. Straight out of the ground. Full toss on the bat. Taken full toll. And the full result here from Sachin. All the veterans, all the players who have played brightly in their prime time are shining here at Kakoda Premier League. Sachin, one of them. Excellent over from him, and once again showing the class with the bat. Lovely shot. Up and over, off the back foot. Too slow, too short. Over the fence for 4 runs. Just tickling over the fence. That just is enough. And that's end of over number 1. Is 14 already on the board. Expensive over and need just 8 runs. Lokman Warriors have shown why they are a strong unit. They are well on course to win the 3rd game of the 4th game of the day, and it will be 4 out of 4 wins. Certainly most formidable side, and the unit is gelling well. Everyone is performing to their talent and skills, and that's why they are on top of the chart at the moment. Lokmanya Warriors looking for the 4th victory, just need 8 of 12. Once again down the ground, Viraj slowing it down with the pace, and just another 7 runs required, and Sachin looking good. Just 7 needed. Lots of balls here, 11 balls left. Full toss ball. There's a fielder there. Should be a catch. And Kalpesh doesn't drop. He's a live wire on the field and takes most of the difficult catches. So this was a simple take for him. Sachin goes back. And still 7 runs needed of 10. Jigpak जैता खातीर 7 रनाची गरज आसा आनी 7 रन व्हरपाक एक भाव गेल्लो आसा आनी दुसरो भाव हे व्हडे मुखार व्हरता 7 रनाचे. सचिन गेल्लो आसा आणि चो आयिल्लो आसा. पळया सचिन बरी इनिंग्स केलो. आता चोचेर मदार आणि बॉलिंग घालता एक वेटरन एक्सपिरियन्स प्लेयर विराज. परत एकदा बरो बॉल, पण 1 रन डेफिनेटली मेळटलो. 1 रना फाटल्यान स्कोर जाला आणि गेला 16 जिखपाक जाय 6 रन. Once again, this might go in the gaps. He has no chance for the fielder. No chance for anyone to cut that off. Aditya just faltering. So prizes are galloring at Kakoda Premier League. Prizes are going for many of the players who are performing and excelling in this tournament. One more prize here has been awarded for the highest run getter in the individual category. 2000 cash prize to Sanil Sawant for getting a 50. And it goes to Sanil for his good performance, and it has been given by Chennai Builders. Paradina Chennai Builders Nelsonan 2000 रुपया सचिनाक दिल्ले आसा. 4 बॉलान 4 विकेटी काढल्या म्हणून. तशेंच आता परत एकदा 2000 रुपयाचे इनाम सनील सावंत लंबू जो आता हांगा ना गेल्लो आसा. फाल सकाळी येतलो तेन्ना नेल्सन सध्या तू सांभाळून दवर. रातचे उपयोगा पडटले. फाल सकाळी ताका दिवया. And going for the reverse, and that's out. तर फाल्यां सकाळी दिवया आमची सगळी कॅच प्रायजां जिखपाक जाय फक्त 1 रनाची गरज आणि 2 ओव्हरी समाप्त जाल्ली आसा 1 रन आणि सुजात स्ट्रायकार पळोवया 1 रन जाय आणि चौथी विक्टरी आणि म्हाका दिसता आज लोकमान्य जे आसा लोकांक मान्य जाल्लें आसा की ही टीम सध्या स्ट्रॉंग आसा आणि विराज आज जंगी म्हाका दिसता पार्टी आसतली काकोड्या मचाएंगे जबरदस्त खुश लोकमान्य टीम दीपेश दिश्टी पडना कया आसा परत एकदा परत उकलून मारपाचो यत्न केल्लो सिक्सरी खातीर फक्त 1 रन जाय आणि 1 रनाक 6 रन मारपाचो यत्न करता ज्या जाग्यार बॉट लावपाक जाय त्या जाग्यार मूठ मारपाचो प्रयत्न चालू आसा फक्त 1 रनाची गरज आणि म्हाका दिसता ते आनी काडपाक दिवना आणि वायड आणि अशे तरेन 4 जैत लोकमान्य आयच्या दिसाचे हिरो ठरिल्ले आसा लोकमान्य वॉरियर्स आयच्या दिसाची तगडी टीम बेस्ट टीम जे 4 मॅची जिखून या टेबलाचेर काकोडा प्रीमियर लीगाच्या लीग टेबलाचेर टॉपार आसात आणि बऱ्यातले बरे परफॉर्मन्स फाल्यां आमी पळोवया कोण जिखता ह्या